ladies and gentlemen, this is Azan RS Auto. Today I'll be working on a 2010 GLK350. Yeah, we'll have a key, a working key. I've tested the key. The key seems to be okay. You can actually lock and unlock. But when you insert the key, please close the door. Before it will show remove key. Okay, maybe when I open the driver's door, yeah, so take out your remove key. And this shows you that it could actually sense the key, but when I turn to start, nothing happens. So I'm going to diagnose what the problem is. Let's see what the problem is. Let me go to the demo function first. I don't know if I can read the VIN from here. Let's see. Okay, it does read the VIN. That's good. The coding, you can see GLK350. So 2008 to 2014. So let's do an emo status scan and see what we have to do with it. From the start, you can see we have an ERS fault. We have two faults in the ERS system. We have two faults in the system, the ERS. So let's see what we have in the ERS. Wow, so that should be straight to service. Okay, let me take a snapshot of this and I will continue. Let's erase those codes. I didn't mean the code to be intermittent and see. Codes are getting erased. Let us do a scan and see what we have. Presently, partial faults. Let's go to the control unit. Let's go to EIS tools. Okay, let me do auto scan. Let's see if you can dictate it. It's supposed to be 204. W204. You can't. It's supposed to be 204. Has this board been used? No. Okay, so let's check the ERS. Cannot connect to the ERS. You can see the ignition is turned on, so power is not getting to the ERS. ESL, sorry. So it's locked. So let's try and unlock it. Cannot get to it either. Okay. So we'll try and sort out the issues with the ESL. After diagnosing the steering, the ESL that is faulty, now remove the whole steering column. You can see that the ESL is bad. This is the connector for the ESL. Usually you have these two terminals. You have 12 volts constant. When you insert the key in the ESL and turn it on, one of them will become ground, go off. We have the ground and we have the K line. The K line that will communicate with the steering lock. So we did that and we confirmed that every signal was coming. As you can see that this is stuck. You can see it got damaged, stuck. We are going to test out the signal. Just going to put it. As you can see, it is positive. I will try and insert the key in the mark this. Currently you can see positive 12 volts. Inserted the key in the ESL. After turning it on, it still remains 12. So we are going to switch to the that one. You can see that one is showing off now. Second one. The second one is 12 volts. So once you insert the key and turn it off, it goes off. Turn it on. So that is how it's supposed to be. Then the next one. Okay, let me turn it on so that we will not see the one that is ground. So this pin is ground. We'll remove it and put it on this one. There you can see this ground. Why this is your pin that is put it there. You can see. See that? You can see the K9 pin. One thing with the K9 pin, once it's not indicating anything. So it's supposed to indicate swipe full steady. You can see it's intermittently, you can see blinking. So that's the K9. So what we did, the owner, this is, I'm going to concentrate on the diagnostic part. So since the steering lock is bad, instead of replacing it with steering lock, I recommended that they get an emulator for it. So they have taken care of the emulator. Sorry, I cannot show you the programming aspect because it was done by somebody. It was done by somebody else because of the time frame. The owner wanted this car done, so it was done as well on bench, and they have time to actually record it. But anyway, I have the emulator. Now this is the emulator we are using. So what we are going to do, we are going to plug it in place of this, and let's see how it functions. And the good thing about this emulator, it also has a sound when you insert to give you the sound, and the sound you normally hear for your key. Let me first of all remove this key. See? You can see the emulator now. The system is on. So now you can see it is off. Once you insert the key, you hear the sound. Remove the key, you can hear the sound. So with the emulator, turn the system on. if I start the car now, it's likely going to start. But the thing is that the steering has not been fixed. As you can see, the car has started. You can see the rocket. So
started.
No. Let's see. Let's turn it off and mount everything back. Then we'll start.
But it's not showing the battery light.
So it has started now. You can see the car has started. This is Azan RS Auto. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on my Facebook page. So you can see now everything is working. So we are going to assemble it, and after assembling, then we'll still start again. See? So now we finish assembling everything back. The case is ignition. So start. So everything is working very well after assembling. So the car has been put back in order. Thank you for watching. This is Azan RS Auto. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Facebook page. Thank you for watching.